で、雨がっていう。
5000人に7のが11、ジャンカルロ・フィジケラ、今シーズン最高が2位表彰台があります。ベレット・プレイヤー、プロの2分37秒47。ガレージを取ってますでした。 Matsunami, the Executive Director of Japan Automobile Federation.
It's difficult to find proper words for such feeling. I mean, there was such an outbreak of emotion initially when I crossed the line. I mean, this conditions were difficult today. The rain, no rain, a little bit more. The upgoing, the downgoing through the season, and then finally achieve it with a victory. The way we did it in, I mean, a fight until the last corner, thanks to Mika. Could have done it a bit easier for me. It's simply outstanding and no words for it to explain it any better. It's simply great. I mean, imagine what is going on right now in Italy. That must be simply amazing.
Fukatsu, President of Suzuka Circuit Line Company Limited.
He's done the best possible job this year. We weren't able to do it, so naturally I feel a bit disappointed, but same time I feel I have won 2 years in a row in 98, 99, so life continues and racing continues. You have to keep fighting, and I'm sure we will see exciting races in the future too.
Fukatsu also presents the trophy to the third place driver, David Cooper.
I had a very quiet race from the start. Didn't really have too much of a battle, and it was just a question of trying to keep the car on the track in what were very difficult conditions.
Let the celebrations begin!